going to be the spectator. He's going to cheer you on. Are you ready? Woo! Do you want to walk? Whoa! Do you want to walk? Come here. Yay! Walking like a big girl. Walking like a big girl. Yay! You did it. Mommy, look at mommy. There's mommy.
Hi, baby. You walking big girl.
You did it.
What a good girl.
You are good at this, huh?
Winnie the Pooh's watching you, standing by.
Okay, now we sit. You ready? Here we go. We're gonna sit. We're gonna sit. Woo!
Clunk. Adeline.
Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. What did that bear say to you? Good job, and I love you. I love you too.
Aww. Say Happy Father's Day, Dada.
Adeline, give me 5. Give me 5.
High five for Father's Day.
Give me 5.
High five.
I think she's too unbalanced. She's going down. She's going down. Let's break dance. Woo! My arm clicked when I did that.
Whoa.
Hello.
Silly girl. Maybe she wants to give Dada a kiss.
Let's see. Come here, baby. Give me. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Why's your head down?
Head down, thumbs
Can I
up.
have a kiss? No? Can I have a kiss?
Bandida.
Have a kiss? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Head
Headbutt. Kisses.
Woo!
Kiss for Dada. Whoa.
Mwah. She's getting cranky. She's getting cranky. Give me 5. No?
How about a shake?
How about a shake? Nice to meet you.